This 2018 CrossRoads Sunset Trail 291RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 33 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, Awning, DVD player, smoke detector, oven, leveling jacks, external shower, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 CrossRoads Sunset Trail 291RK is 5,686 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.